Hi everyone! I wanted to walk you through my redecorating. I am so excited, and it's been quite a bit, like probably almost 2 months since I did it. But every time we walk into a room, both of us really are thrilled with it. And I used AI. I call her Millie, but I want to share that with you in case you want to redo your room. And I'm going to share the specific items in each room, like lamps or throws or different things. I really didn't change a lot, but it's amazing what a difference it made in the room. So I'm going to show you the before, and keep in mind, I did not plan on doing this video. So you're going to see some mess in the rooms or things not arranged properly. It's because that was the before picture. So first of all, let's start in our living room. We have two pictures of the slot canyons, one on each side of the fireplace. I love the slot canyons. I think it's beautiful. When we did this, we never thought through the fact that we've got to decorate around orange. My girlfriend has done it with a really pretty turquoise blue, and another girlfriend did it with purple. I'm just not into those kinds of colors. I didn't know how to tone down the orange and yet still embrace it, because we do love those pictures. That's why we got them. So I took a picture and put it into ChatGPT and said, what minor changes would you make in this room? And she came back with a lot of greens, and I loved it. Now, I didn't do some of the things like the tray on the coffee table. I tried that and it didn't work. She also doesn't have good depth, and she thought that there would be room for a lamp there. I don't know where, in front of that fireplace. There is no table there for a lamp. So, little things like that I had to change, but she definitely gave me a huge push in the right direction. And we love how it turned out. We played with it, we experimented, which I guess is part of decorating. But I'm going to walk you through the room and some of the specifics. So I'm going to film this part in the day, and then I'll show you the finished part at night, because I always think a room shows better at night with all the great lighting. But you can see a bit of the lighting that we have there on the fireplace. So first, I want to start with this throw. It is amazing. I love it. And I love it so much, I bought another one that you'll see in the bedroom. It isn't heavy. It says it's a highly returned item on Amazon, and I'm wondering if it's because it's not heavy and it's not large. But it is perfect for decorating. I love the pattern on it, and I frequently grab it and throw it over top of myself. I use it like as a regular throw, both on the bed and here. These pillows, I will link, they're pillow covers, and I had them already. I was trying to figure out how to work with these slot canyon photos that we have, and so I got these orange cushions, and I don't regret them, but it just accentuated the orange. So what Millie, ChatGPT, did, Millie's so much shorter to say, she got me to anchor it with green, just that and that. And it just made such a big difference. And then we got these cream candlesticks that we actually had already down in the valley, and these hydrangeas that I love. And I'll link those, and they were already here with the black vase. I'm still not sure what I want to do with this coffee table in terms of the decoration. But it's so amazing to me that just a couple of anchor pieces up there, that beautiful big vase with the eucalyptus, it's absolutely gorgeous. And I love that, and I'll link both of them below. And then this green throw, it just somehow anchors the room. And then I did buy a little vase like this one with the eucalyptus, and it just didn't work in here. So I ended up putting it over here, and it works beautifully. So I've got the eucalyptus in that vase over there. And so the little vase is there, and then I've got the big vase up here, and they just, I don't know, it looks so beautiful, those little minor changes, and I feel like it's really brought the room together. It doesn't show, but we did have bedside tables, and they're the same bedside tables. I only wanted minor changes. She started changing the bedspread, and I'm not saying it didn't look good, but I have my winter bedspread, which is the before picture. You're going to see the summer bedspread, which is what we have on now. I didn't want to change my bedspread, although I might, because I really like some of these things. She also put draperies on the window. No, we don't want draperies. We love having that open view to the woods. So there was a few things like that that I had to rein her in on or just ignore and take what I wanted. Again, she put in a lot of greens, and I love that. It worked out really, really well. Now, you're going to think I'm silly because I didn't realize this, and you probably all realize this, and it's probably just me that doesn't. Lamps. Boy, do lamps make a big difference versus overhead lighting or even a tall lamp. So those lamps are phenomenal. And I love that she got us to put a picture above the bed. And I'll talk about that in a minute. It has very special meaning to us. Let me walk you through everything in the bedroom, and then I'll show you the before and after picture. So here is the after in the daylight. It doesn't look near as stunning as it does at night. I'm trying to be kind of at the same angle as the before. And we do have on our summer bedspread, but all of this is going to work with the winter bedspread as well. So let me start from the right to the left of the room. This olive tree, I love it. I wish I would have gotten a bit taller because we have really tall ceilings. I think that's a 9-foot. I'll link it, but we had the pot, and I really like that olive tree. These lamps are absolutely beautiful. So there you can see when they're on. I love them. And we have everything on timers. So when we walk in the room at night, these are already on. And here you can see the same beloved throw. And I love that. It's so wonderful. I love this cognac pillow. Now I did have to buy the pillow insert, of course. And then for our green pillows, they actually went over top of the old pillows. And then I've got these textured cream pillows that I really like. And then all of the contrasting fabrics. So these textured cream pillows, and I just put regular pillows inside of them that we had. These are like a soft chenille, and then this cognac is almost like a leather, and it just comes together so well. I got rid of one of the snake plants. I kept one and put a candle beside it. This photo is our backyard. Mark took it one day when it was kind of foggy out there, and when I saw the picture that Millie put up above the bed, I instantly knew that we wanted to get the picture he took printed on canvas. And that's what we've done, and we've decided to just leave it unframed. I like it like that. And again, the lamps. Who knew lamps made such a big difference? Maybe you guys did, but I didn't. And then again, I have some eucalyptus up there, and I really like that darker vase that I've got there. And then I've just got some candles and my spider plant. But just those couple of minor changes, I feel like it's made such a big difference. And even when we put our heavy bedspread back on, and it's more colorful. Like I said, I think these greens and the cognac leather pillow there will help to pull it all together. And just so you can see, those are the colors of the bedspread. So I think it's going to work really well to tie, when we put the bedspread back on, the greens and that cognac I think will work really well. So then the last room is the bedroom down in the valley. We have, and this before picture doesn't do it justice, it doesn't show the lighting, but we have beautiful lighting of the niches above and going down, and it's really a nicely decorated room. Something that you may not pick up on in the before photo, but you will once I point it out, is that my bedside table is significantly higher than Mark's bedside table, which is lower. I took the legs off of mine. Now it doesn't make them even, and when you put lamps on a table, it kind of accentuates and draws your eye to the fact that the tables aren't even. But it's much closer since I took the legs off of my table, and I don't think it's a problem. I think it works well. And then the other change was we put lamps on each of these tables. Again, me not knowing how much lamps make a big difference. And we put a picture that we just happened to have. When she did the after picture, it made me realize that this picture was just perfect. So I went downstairs and got this picture and brought it up and got Mark to hang it. And it's just those simple little touches that made it so much more homey. So those are the changes that I made. I'm linking everything below, and I would love to know if you would be inspired to maybe use ChatGPT to do your own redecorating. I want to say thank you so much for spending time with me. As always, I really appreciate it, and I hope you're having a lovely day in your home.